Let's dive into this explainer. Today, we're treating math's fundamental operations like your essential architectural blueprints.
But first, a quick question to spark your curiosity. What actually happens when you multiply two negative numbers?
We're going to tackle negative numbers, the order of operations, decimals, and finally, visualizing fractions.
Negative numbers aren't just abstract. Think of real physical things, like freezing temperatures or taking an elevator down.
Let's compare addition and subtraction. Surprisingly, subtracting a negative is exactly the same as adding a positive.
But watch out, multiplication and division play by a totally different set of rules.
Here's the golden rule. Multiplying the same signs gives a positive. Different signs, always a negative. Take a look at this equation. Do you add or multiply first? Well, the order changes literally everything. To completely avoid mathematical chaos, just rely on this simple four-step hierarchy for the order of operations.
So by multiplying 3 and 4 first, then adding 2, we safely land right at 14. That logic perfectly sets up our next blueprint, which is mastering how we multiply decimals.
Initially, just completely ignore the decimal. Multiply the whole numbers, then simply count places to insert the point back.
When dividing decimals, use this neat trick to instantly turn your denominator into an easy, workable integer. Check this out. Multiplying both the top and bottom by 10 completely eliminates the decimal.
Finally, let's visualize fractions. Notice why adding them always requires finding a common denominator first.
Notice the stark contrast here. Unlike addition, multiplying fractions is a breeze. Just multiply straight across. See, visually, 1/3 of 1/4 perfectly equates to exactly 1/12 of the whole shape.
Now, before dividing fractions, you need the reciprocal. Just flip your fraction completely upside down.
Incredibly, dividing 6 by 1/3 yields the exact same physical result as multiplying by 3.
So your ultimate golden rule for dividing any fraction, just multiply it by its reciprocal instead.
Okay, here's your rapid-fire summary. These are the essential blueprints you absolutely need to lock down.
With these foundational blueprints finally mastered, what kind of complex logical structures will you build next?